a job in minutes. Set up screen.
Damn, you are stupid.
When all's said, from his Wisconsin cheese head right down to his sesame seed buns. The Offbeat. I'm Jim Bogan.
Celebrating his 79th birthday, actor Lee Majors will have 6 million candles on his cake. America in the Morning from Monday, April 23rd.
This traffic update being brought to you by Goodwill across the river, the busy Jefferson-Davis Highway, Belvedere Clearwater Road, as well as Venice Academy Road and Edgeville Road. We're finding traffic moving without delay this afternoon. And as you're making your way to Augusta I-20 westbound, right across the state line of the river, we're finding traffic moving at speed limits, as well as on Washington Road and Riverwatch Parkway. So deputies clearing that accident, Meadowbrook Drive to Barton Chapel Road.
Well, this is as a result of tax reform. Direct front line.
Wow.
Listen, I'm in the process of renegotiating.
Our Michael Toscano reports that it is competition driving credit card companies to, in some cases, reduce individuals' interest rates.
Creditcards.com says competition among banks and credit card companies is resulting in benefits for consumers. Analyst Matt Schultz says.
You don't have to pull over. You pull over or slow down.
You know, put it in a fruit roll-up or something kind of gooey. Do what I did when my daughter, at age 3, declared she was not going to take her antibiotics because she didn't like the way that it tasted. I got out the meat injector and filled it with some colored substance, probably Gatorade or something out of the refrigerator, and told her that if she didn't take it through her mouth, she was going to get it that way. She sucked down everything that was in the spoon and then asked if she needed to take any more to keep the needle away. It's a good way to do it. It's a good way to do it. That needle was bigger than her.
There's nothing on that side of the street. Why are you crossing? That's not the way that works. Come on. Now you're eager to drive. Lady, drive.
taken to an area hospital. Government officials say the new head of the top U.S. public health agency has asked for a cut to his record-setting pay. Officials are not saying yet what Dr. Robert Redfield Jr.'s new salary is, but the 66-year-old HIV researcher was picked in March to head the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention with an annual compensation of $375,000.
Located at the Augusta Mall parking lot, outside the food court near the Sears entrance. 20 ribeye steaks for only $30. Plus,
people driving by on the road, going on the road, or you're rolling down the windows and yelling, "Give Calhoun the ball!" Oh my God, there's someone walking across Calhoun Expressway, just sauntering along there. Then he looked up and saw me, and then started running.
We could actually afford. And what did we find? Nothing. Hi, I'm Scott Tannen. Missy and I started Bull and Branch because we want you to be able to afford the best bedding in the world. By cutting out the middleman and only selling online at bullandbranch.com, our award-winning sheets cost...
BLM that General Motors is adding 700 workers in a new shift at a plant in Tennessee where it makes the GM Acadia and the Cadillac XT5. And Ford says that within just a few years, it'll only make 2 passenger sedans, a new Focus crossover, and the venerable Mustang. Advertisers brushing off worries about Facebook's data mining scandal. Ad revenue soared last quarter. It also added more users, will buy back more of its own shares, and now is sitting on a stockpile of $44 billion in cash, double what it had 2 years ago. UPS looking to save money, so...
You've always said it, Austin, and you have nailed it to the door. When these idiots are idiots, when you show something...
Year 2, and I sitting right there back in 2 years ago, I would have said, oh, find something. Oh, yeah. They haven't yet.
Well, he's already got indictments. He's already got nothing.
No, but it doesn't touch him. This is Captain Kirk yelling at Khan.
I know. It's getting there.
You hear me? I'm still here. You managed to kill everybody else around. Like a poor marksman.
Right turn from the left lane. Turn for the right lane, you see that?
Credit rating that they, or best credit discount that they offer. So if you've struggled in the past because of credit challenges or you're new to the workforce and you haven't had the ability to establish credit yet. Okay, all right. Took a little bit of time, ladies and gentlemen. God bless him. He was right on the mark. Incredible cyber base here at Fort Gordon and all that goes with it.
The upkeep is something else. That's community assets. But she's going to have a very hard time asking for any money just because you're maintaining the house. Are you going to rent the house?
I was up in the sky. I ain't been no love since January, February, June, July. Smoke time.
And away you go.
Outdoors in school. Shine on, harvest moon. Be my guy.
They didn't even stop completely at the stop sign.
Didn't even look.
Oh my goodness! Look at this. Oh, that's great.
Please say a command after the
Messaging.
messaging. Say read text.
Read text.
Message from J.D. Dole. Oklahoma, thanks.
Oklahoma, thanks.
Is opening in Augusta, and we can't wait to show you how fun and delicious healthy can be. Doors open at 7 a.m. on May 2nd, just north of I-20 and Walton Way Extension. So head on over bright and early to take advantage of our grand opening specials. The first 200 customers in line will receive 20% off their entire purchase.
That's the difference. You have more rated rides than I have. What are we doing? Oh, I plug in the shoulder. Oh, I got a flag. Oh my, it's over here. Oh, are they towing something?
They're pulling the car. Somebody's going to jail, and someone else is going to the hospital.
Exceed your expectations. That's why we're giving you a 50% savings on your second lawnmower blade, spark plug, trimmer line, engine oil filter, or quart of Kinetics engine oil during the months of February and March. All of this only at Wallace & Son.